Hello there, this is the Radical Farmer here at Organic Farm 7, and as we always make organic farming super easy, so one of the things that help us to reduce cost in our farming is that we make our own fertilizers. Actually, we grow our own fertilizers. So what you are seeing in the picture, this is called Comfrey. So Comfrey, in line with organic farming, it is a very powerful fertilizer. And one thing you should understand is that this fertilizer is a permanent plant. So if you can see here, we've cut all the comfrey off 100%. All the leaves are removed, but within 2 weeks this thing is going to cover up again, and you can be harvesting twice a month. So Comfrey contains a lot of trace elements, the micronutrients, potassium, phosphorus. I would say this crop is well contained with all the needed nutrients that the plant needs. So what we do is that we get these, as I showed you previously. We are going to ferment it for 10 days to extract the nutrients from the leaves to the water, then from the water to the field. So you find that our crops are going to be flourishing. We are going to running on raw cost in terms of inputs, because we are growing our own fertilizers, and this thing, you plant it is once and for all it needs is enough water. So if you are planning to do organic farming, it is very important to set up a fertilizer section where you grow crops which you're going to be using to make fertilizer. Like you can see this side, we've got buckwheat, and then we've got sun hemp over there, then we've got comfrey, then we've got also alfalfa, which is coming on the way. So when you grow these crops specifically for making fertilizers, you find that you're going to be saving a lot of money. So you should be thinking of reducing cost of production while increasing cost of profit. The profit margins are going to be very high. So this is one of the techniques that we use here at Organic Farm 7, and in the near future we are going to be running at very raw cost, because we have made sure that we establish everything within the farm, and to make sure that the farm is self-sustained. We don't always outsource raw materials. Those which we can make, we make, and one of them which you can make is comfrey. You plant, just like here we just have one bed of comfrey, of which it gives us enough. We incorporate with other fertilizers also, and you see, you don't even need to be a rocket scientist. Like the one who is harvesting is my young sister, so she knows how to make organic fertilizer. So, and I can assure you that real things are very easy to learn. Even little children can learn them. Even my son knows that this is how you make fertilizer. You gather the leaves, you soak them in the water, because this comfrey has got a very deep root system, so it goes down. Sometimes your soil may be poor just because the nutrients have been leached to the level where the roots cannot reach of these ordinary crops. But comfrey has the ability to go down and get all the nutrients, bring them to the surface, to the leaves, and make them available for the farmer to use. So as always, this is the Radical Farmer, making organic farming super easy. Wishing you all the best as you establish your garden, and always put it in mind that you have to have the pesticide section and also the fertilizer section. So even though you don't have manure, you can make compost from this, you can make mulch from this, and the decomposition rate is very fast, because these crops contain all the needed nutrients for the microbes to work and do the good job for you. For today, stay blessed and have a great organic day.